How to use ChatGPT to make a website. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you how you can make use of ChatGPT for your website. So just a heads up, ChatGPT will not gonna help you to create a website, but it will help you to write you something for your website. So for example, the content for your website. So let me just go ahead and show you some shoe website, for example, over here. So as you can see, when you visit a website, we have text over here, and ChatGPT can help you to write the text down here. Sometimes it's going to be time consuming if you are the one who will be thinking what to write here. So here, as you can see, we have this text. And also over here, as you can see, we have the hero title over here. And then you can also add your tagline, and doing all of this stuff from hero title, thinking about the tagline, thinking about the call to actions, thinking about to write about your company or about your website. Those kind of information will take you a lot of time for you to write something. So over here, as you can see, we have the hero title, and then you can add some tagline over here. And with ChatGPT, it will help you to write anything that you like for your website in just less than an hour. And that is what I will show to all of you guys for today's video. So let's go ahead and go back to the ChatGPT. So for example, over here, I will just start writing here. Give me a broad outline for website for shoes with unique and high quality shoes, including hero title, tagline, call to action, what else? Features and details about the shoes. And then just click enter. All right, so now write as this one. First, we have the title here. So we have the title, Step Up Your Style with Unique and High Quality Shoes. So with that, that is a good hero title. So what you can do with the hero title, you can just copy this one and then paste it to your website. So this is the sample of the hero title over here, this big one that you can see. And then underneath that part, you can add your tagline over here. So go back to ChatGPT. We have the tagline here, which is discover the best in footwear fashion. So it sounds so simple and not so catchy. Let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write us a catchy tagline. All right, so I just changed here. Give me another 5 catchy tagline for our website for shoes. So here we have the first, the elevate you look with unmatched footwear, experience the best in footwear fashion. And then the third one, where style meets comfort, unleash your inner fashionista with unique shoes. I like this one. So maybe I can make use of this. Or also the 5, step out in style with our high quality footwear. You can also make use of this one. So I like this 4 and 5. So you can just go ahead and copy this one and add it under your hero title. And then here we have the call to action, shop now and find your perfect pair. Or you can just make use of the shop now. As you can see here, we have the shop now call to action. So here, as you can see, after the winter shop, they have this shop now. And then over here, we also have the details about the shoe. Each pair of shoe is crafted with care using only the finest material. The exclusive design are inspired by the latest fashion trends and feature unique details that set them apart from the ordinary. So you can also add this one inside your website, maybe on the left side of your website next to the shoes that you have, so that your customer will also aware the details about your shoes and the materials that you are using because that will help your customer to decide if they want to buy your products. So I can say that ChatGPT AI can really help you to write a good content inside your website to make your customer excited and feel interested to get your products. And of course, if you have your website, you need to also have a different page for your about your website or about your company. So with that, if you will be the one who will be writing it, it will take you an hour for you to complete the about me page. But here inside the chat GPT, you can let the AI write you something for your about page. So here, just write something. So write me a website content about my shoe company with high quality and unique design. And then just click enter. And with that, ChatGPT will write you a website content that you can make use of to add inside your about page for your customer to know more about your company, to know more about your shoes, for your customer to know you more and to know your company or your brand. So here, as you can see, we have welcome to our shoe company, where we believe in creating high quality and unique footwear that sets you apart from the crowd. Our passion is providing you with the best footwear fashion, from casual sneakers to elegant heels, all made with care and precision to meet the demands of the modern fashionista. Our collection is carefully curated with exclusive designs and the finest materials, ensuring that each pair of shoes is not only stylish but also durable and long lasting. As you can see, those are good words over here. And then whether you're looking for a comfortable everyday pair of shoes or something special for a special occasion, we have a wide range of sizes and styles to choose from. So here, as you can see, these are good text over here, and this is a good message. So as I'm reading the first and the second paragraph, I fall in love with this. So that's how you can make use of ChatGPT to help you create your website. So it can help you write anything for your website. And with that, you can save a lot of time if you will just let the ChatGPT AI write you anything for your website. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.